Hi guys, I want to just run through a quick trade that I took today and I was actually stopped out on. So this is Euro US dollar, we're on a 1 hour chart. You can see that I've identified this level here on the 1 hour chart as good resistance. Then price broke through and I was hoping that we'd get a retracement and a bounce off this level. Okay. Now if we had price shoot up through this level, make rapid highs like this, followed by rapid low back down to the level, then I would not be looking to put a trade on at this level. However, because we've had this really nice, almost sail-like pattern form as price floats back down to this level, it's very, well, the chances are a lot higher that you're going to get a good bounce off this level if this happens. As opposed to a straight up and straight down. So let's shoot down to a 5-minute chart and I'll show you what's happened here. Now you can see price sailed all the way back down to this level. I put my entry right here at this green arrow, and you can see I got practically zero drawdown whatsoever, and it was a beautiful entry. I had a 15 pip stop loss on it, and price reacted straight away, just like I always hope it will, and then it started to dance around a little bit over here. Now my entry into the market here was at 11:20 GMT. At 12 o'clock there is scheduled to be a lot of news, a lot of red flag news, and I thought, right, I'm going to jump in, grab my profits, and I'm going to get out before the news hits. Okay, so I identified the level that I'd like to take profits at, which was this level here. Now of course we can never be guaranteed that we're going to hit the level that we want, so I always drop off a couple of pips just to make it safe, just to make sure that I'm going to get a respectable risk reward. So I changed my take profit level to this level here for 40 pips, obviously less the spread, and price, you can see, reacted, took off, then started to dance around, going up and down, and I thought, right, well, since we're getting so close to news time, I'm quite concerned that there are going to be a few traders liquidating some positions and we might get this level broken because of that, and we'll eat into our stop loss before news comes out. Then if the news is negative, we can get a further push down and I'm just going to lose my stop. So what I did is when we were up here, I moved my stop to break even, actually to just 1 pip in profit, and price came down, took me out for a pip, and then took off in my direction. We got to this level here, and while I was kicking myself because I had jumped the gun, price retraced, and I thought, great, I've made the right decision. And then of course it took off again and it hit my 40 pip level perfectly. So if I hadn't jumped the gun, if I hadn't let the emotions of fear and greed get the better of me, fear of eating into my stop loss, greed and not wanting to let that stop loss be eaten into, then I would have had a nice 40 pip take profit as opposed to just 1 pip. Yeah, we go home with 10 bucks as opposed to 400 bucks, but there's a lesson to be learned here, and the lesson is, let the market do what the market wants to do. If you've identified a good level and you're confident with your choice and your risk reward is good, put your order in, let the market do what it's going to do. You have to remember, the only thing that you can control in this business is how much you're prepared to lose. Okay, so if your risk reward and your money management are good, then the overall winners are going to completely overshadow the losers and you're going to be in profit. So here we are on this trade now. We've been stopped out. We would have had a nice profit. I hope this has been a bit of a lesson for you. Likewise, as I say at the end of all the videos, come and see us at pip2profit.com, sign up for our free newsletter, and we'll try and help you with your trading. Thanks a lot, guys. Take care. We'll chat soon.